Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the hard drive, unlatch and remove the system's base cover. Then, unlatch and remove the front bezel from the system. Identify the hard drive assembly and slide the tab to unlock the latch. Grasp the cables at the connector base and disconnect them. Lift the assembly up to remove it. Once the assembly is removed, identify and unlatch the hard drive and lift it out of the assembly. To reinstall the hard drive, relatch it to the assembly. Place the assembly back in the system. Reconnect the cables and relatch the assembly. Place the front bezel and base cover on the device. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.